Hello everyone, and this video will show you how to crochet a shawl. Complete details about the project are available at angelina.com/crochet shawl pattern. On this webpage you may share pictures of your work and ask questions if any. To crochet the shawl, make a foundation chain of 9 chains, then join it into a ring with a slip stitch. First row, chain 4, after the chain 4 work 6 triple crochets into the ring. After the 6 triple crochets into the ring, chain 1 and work 7 triple crochets into the ring. After the 7 triple crochets, chain 6. Second row, work 6 double crochets under the triple crochets of the previous row, under, after the double crochet 6, work chain 4, and again work double crochet 6 under triple crochets as the previous row. At the end of the second row, chain 3 and work double crochet 1 under chains. Then chain 4 and turn. Third row, work a shell under the 3 chains into the arch of 3 chains, work 3 triple crochets, chain 1 and again 3 triple crochets. After the shawl, work single crochet 1 between third and fourth double crochets of the previous row. And under the arch of 4 chains, work 6 triple crochets. Chain 1, just like here, and again 6 triple crochets under the same arch. After the last 6 triple crochets, work as a mirror reflection again, single crochet 1 between third and fourth double crochets of the previous row. And then work a shawl under the chains. After the shawl, work 1 more triple crochet and 6 returning chains. Row 4, work 6 double crochets under triple crochets of the previous row. After that, double crochet 6 chain 3 and repeat again, work 6 double crochets under 6 triple crochets of the previous row. After the double crochet 6 chain 4 and work as a mirror reflection. Work again double crochet 6 under triple crochets of the previous row, then chain 3 and again double crochet 6. At the end of the fourth row, chain 3 double crochet 1 under chains and work 4 returning chains. Crochet the fifth row like your third row, but work now 2 shells instead of 1. So again, triple crochet 3 under the arch of 3 chains. Single crochet 1 between third and fourth double crochets of the previous row. and work one more shawl again. After the second shawl, work one single crochet between double crochets and then work the corner. Triple crochet 6, chain 1, triple crochet 6 under the arch of 4 chains, and then again work one single crochet between double crochets and 2 shells. After the last shell, work one more triple crochet and 6 returning chains. Then crochet your row 6 like your fourth row, working more repeats. Again 6 double crochets, chain 3 to the corner, for the corner chain 4 instead of 3, and then work as a mirror reflection. Work double crochet 6 under triple crochets of the previous row, chain 3 to enter the row. At the end of the row 6, work one more double crochets under chains and 4 returning chains. Then repeat the pattern starting from the row 5, working more repeats. So again, work shells under arches of 3 chains and single crochets between double crochets of the previous row. Again, repeat the 5th and 6th rows for as many times as necessary, then work 3 single crochet rows. After that the shawl is ready, and thank you for watching.